Make it a habit to show up for your friends, guys. Always show up for your friends. And the Taniki Sota, Naniki Savannah. One day, Taomu, can I do a Nikki? Do you wear Who can you? Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, baby. So this is the condition of my room, guys. Please don't judge me, it's such a mess, but I'm going to clean up my room and pack, because guys, I am going on a trip to the coast, so I want to clean this room and pack with you guys. And the reason we are packing is because we are going for a trip. We are going for a trip. So this is a continuation actually of the video I did in the morning. You guys, I went to the gym, came from the gym, went to town, bought some products, came back to the house, I took a shower and went back to work. My day was pretty busy, so I wasn't able to like film, but I'm back from work now. I didn't put anything on my face. I was in such a hurry, just came home, took a shower, took breakfast, and I was back at work. So yeah, now I'm back at home, and guys, guess what? I have an impromptu trip. I am going to the coast and I am going to work. It's work, guys, it's not a holiday. I'm going to work. So there's this, it takes a long time to do Sisterlocs, especially if you're doing them professionally, guys. It takes a really long time doing Sisterlocs, to be honest. So I am traveling to the coast with a workmate of mine. His name is George. We usually work together, especially when we are doing Sisterlocs, because it takes a really long time to do Sisterlocs. And when we do it, the both of us, it saves us much time and energy. So we prefer working together, especially when doing Sisterlocs. So yeah. Okay, and I'm like, yo, he's my friend. Why not? So one of these days, I'm going to need him as well. And I'm going to call on him and he's going to show up, Sure. Make it a habit to show up for your friends, guys. Always show up for your friends and they will definitely return the favor. I want to clean my room with you guys, so I'm going to put what do we call it? Ilene Daraka. That one. We're going to put that, and I clean my room while I pack for the coast. So I'm going for like 2 or 3 days, and yeah, I'll be back. So let's do this. One day nitaomoka na jua nikisota na nikiko Savannah. One day nitaomoka, put your head high, washangwai, I'll never give up. Put your head high, washangwai, I'll never give. Na hata nikisota na nikiko Savannah. One day nitaomoka na jua niki. Guys, so I'm listening to the recordings that I usually do live shows, so this is one of the recording I'm listening to of my live show, and I'm singing along. I'm having a blast. So I'm packing for I've just told you guys I'm going for the trip. And guys, this bag, it's a new bag. It's a bag, guys. It's this tiny, but it's not tiny, it's a big bag. Okay, it's not that big, but you can travel with it. Maybe for 5 or 4 day trip, you can go with this bag. Trust me, it's a nice one. So I wanted to like unpack it, or is it unbox it? Is it unboxing or unbagging it? Whatever, man. So I'm unboxing this bag with you. This is how it looks. Looks like a Bible. So you open it from here. It's like there's this bag called magic bag. It's like a magic bag. And there you go, guys. This is how the bag looks. Then you close this down part. How do you close it now? Wait. Okay. Like this. Yep. And once you close it, this is all we have. So this is the bag I'm going to travel with to the coast for the next 2-3 days. Yeah, I'm going to use this bag. It's new, so I've never used it before, but I think it's perfect to carry kidogo clothes. Yeah, I think it's perfect for me, so pack with me. So guys, this is where I put my clothes. When I shifted to this house, it didn't come with closet, so I had to improvise. Yep. But is it really improvising? No, it's not. This is the first piece of furniture that I have ever owned. This one, this structure, this wooden structure. So these are my clothes. I'm going to pick some clothes from here and pack them in this bag. And yeah, so help me pack. I think I'm going to just carry light clothes because I'm going to the coast. It's hot, you guys know that. So I'm just going to carry light clothes. Yeah, and that's it. So yeah, pack with me. And let me tell you guys, whenever I am in my house doing anything, I usually put music and I vibe. At this particular moment, I was so freaking late, guys. I had like two hours to get to the train station before the train leaves, and I'm still here vibing to music. Becky wewe. So this song that has just played, I think I'm going to perform it for you guys. I know I'm going to get late because I'm trying to pack. What's the time? Come on then. Wait, it's 7 now, but I really feel like I need to perform this song for you guys. So here you go. This is me. Okay, let's do this. Twende kazi. This is one of my favorite songs. It's on my YouTube channel. If you haven't watched the video, check it out. It's called Me. Listen to this one. I need a microphone, guys. I need a microphone. Okay, let me use this. Unconditionally, my motivation, I gravitate to me, and now I do it unconditionally. My own boss, my first love is me, and now I do it unconditionally. My motivation, I gravitate to me, and now I do it unconditionally. See, ever since I was a teen, my mama told me you're a queen, never settle for nothing in between. She told me fix your crown, walk with your head high. Any opportunity, just take it and fly. And if you see me confident, don't think it's altitude. I find myself in prayer and in solitude. I rise higher, come check the altitude. Beautiful and proud like I should. My own boss, my first love is me, and now I do it unconditionally. My motivation, I gravitate to me, and now I do it unconditionally. My own boss, my first love is me, and now I do it unconditionally. My motivation, I gravitate to me, and now it skiza na mina jua si rahisi, lakini dada jaribu, wasikuweke ujishuku na aibu, wasojetia nguvu kila swali inajibu. Got to keep on moving, no time for losing now. When it's time, nataka ujue unaenda far. Rise the best step like the queen you are. Usitupe right. And it dawned to me that I am getting late. I need to do this quick. So I had to finish performing for you guys and continue packing because guys, my passport. Am I going to put my passport there? No. So I have to pack this light. And because I'm late, I need to do it right now. So the rest of the video, I guess we're not going to have the light on, but it will still be clear. So yeah, let me pack, guys. I need to stop recording because now I'm getting confused. Let me do this fast. Time is really going, and I need to eat before I leave this house. I really need to eat. So yeah, let me do this fast, and I'll see you when I'm leaving, or maybe on the road to the train station. Yeah.
Guys, you know you can't see me well, but I was so late I couldn't shoot when I was leaving the house. But I'm in the car right now. I'm almost at the train station. I'm like 10 minutes away. It's 9:15, guys. Last minute. But yeah, I'll make it. So yeah, here we go. I'll show you guys when we get there. We're on Mombasa Road right now.
Guys, I am here, but I am late. So I'm trying to walk as fast as I can to get to where they sat us. And Georgie is not even here, guys. Georgie, I don't even know where he is. He sent me the tickets to print. He's not even here. Guys, I made it. I'm inside. But you know who's not inside? George. So this is where I'm waiting for him. He should be coming in through there any minute from now. So yeah, I'm waiting for him. I already printed the tickets. I have the tickets over here with me. So yeah, just waiting for him to come so that we can go to the train. It's like it's 9:40 right now. 20 minutes and the train is off. So Georgie better be here. He better be here. Guys, look who's here. Eh? Yani we are very late. Look who's here. We're so freaking late. We made it, guys. Nani was worth it. Okay. See where I'm looking. The face is so sweaty. But we made it.
Yote imadishikwaga tu bed mtu akaangia na huko wacha wakutafuta hata familia Somali.
Walai. So we decided to get something to eat. And guys, tell me why things in this train are so expensive. Luckily, I had eaten before I left the house. But for Georgie, he didn't eat anything, so he just had to buy some few snacks before we get to Mombasa so that he can eat properly. Yep. I'll get some ribena when I get to Coast because it's damn expensive. So we're not yet there. It's 12 a.m. It's 12:30 a.m. I'm so freaking sleepy, but we're not yet there. But we're still on our way. If it was daytime, you'd see outside, but it's dark right now, so you can't see outside. I just wait. I had a short cold break. I was going to the washroom, now I'm going back to my seat, going back to sleep till I get there. We're like 2 hours away now. We're almost there. We're not that far, so yeah. Guys, we are finally at the coast. It's 3:35 right now, and the journey was smooth. I slept through like 2 hours of the journey. The other ones I was listening to music and just enjoying myself. Yes. Stories that George is telling me over here. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe. Also, follow on the next video to check out the work that I have come to do in Diani. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and I will definitely see you on the next one. The next one will be a follow-up video of this one, so don't forget to watch it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Love you. Bye. Mwah.